Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you how to enable the lock sales order feature and its functionality. You go into settings and the sales tab. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll find this Boolean here. And essentially what this does is once the order is in a confirmed state, nothing can be edited in line or changed unless the sales order is unlocked. And this is a viewer preference. People that are administrators will visibly have an unlock button on the sales order, whereas an employee or user with less clearances wouldn't see this feature. So if I go to sales and I pre-created this one here, you can see I can't do anything on inline here. I can't change the customer. Usually, if this is unlocked, all this information is editable. And then the goal with this is just obviously, from an administrator perspective, once the sales order is confirmed, you don't want anybody messing around with it unless you or someone else that has that authority within the company gives clearance for that order to be unlocked and be edited. It's just a checks and balance thing that Odoo provides as a feature, and you can just turn it on by going into that settings like I had showed you and checking that on or off. I'm going to take it back off. But yeah, it's as simple as that. I hope it was informative. For more information, please click the link below.